Hi, I'm Matthew Tosh. Junk food science is all about understanding the science linking health with diet and inspiring discussion about ways of improving the nation's eating habits. The junk food science snack bar lesson can be used to spark discussions about the issues underpinning healthy eating and balanced diets, and will encourage group debate and critical thinking. In this simulation activity, students take on the role of scientific advisory committee members, advising a fictitious organisation, the British Institute of Eating Control. They are shown a video conference about a new snack bar called the Fruit Munchie Square, a spoof advert and a vodcast by a fast food opponent. Pupils must decide as a scientific advisory committee whether the Fruit Munchie Square should be banned, licensed or endorsed by the British Institute of Eating Control. You can find this video and many other resources to help deliver this lesson at the address on the screen. Here we see Alison Clough and Claire Caulfield, both primary teachers at St Benet's Roman Catholic Primary School in County Durham, team teaching the lesson to a group of Year 4 students.
Today you have been given a very important role to do. Today you are a member of a scientific advisory group, okay? What do you think that might mean? What do you think you might be having to do today?
Science.
Science. Where did you get the idea that you might be doing something to do with science?
Because it's got scientific.
In the lesson starter, pupils answer questions about snack foods using information from nutritional data tables provided. This encourages them to interrogate and interpret data. You will need to facilitate groups during this activity.
Which one of those snacks is the least healthy? So that you're not just looking at one column, you have to compare all of them. So you need to have a little look at the calories, at the fat, at the carbohydrate.
The chocolate and caramel bar.
Yes. If we wanted a healthy option, which one would you recommend for me to have if I needed a healthy snack this afternoon? Yes, darling.
The yogurt bar.
Then pupils are introduced to the main lesson activity. They watch the video about the Fruit Munchie Square and make notes based on what each character in the video says.
No savouring the beautiful fresh produce. No aromas of food cooking on the stove. No connection, no emotion, no passion. How can it be good for you?
Who can remember a piece of information that they thought was important from that?
There might have been loads of sugar in instead of just a cupful or something.
Okay, it said a scattering, didn't it? It didn't actually say how much sugar was going in there, and some ingredients might already have sugar in. What were they?
Plums and bananas.
The snack bar resources were good. The video was there, it was child friendly, it was what we needed the children to see. The worksheets were there for us, and the food tables, which again saved time on planning, which was good.
In their scientific advisory committees, SACs, they write points on a large piece of paper. Their next challenge is to determine which points are fact and which are opinion. You may need to clarify the meaning of fact and opinion at this stage.
If you're saying that it's no acid, you were saying that's really your opinion, isn't it?
Becky's saying that no acid in.
Each committee is encouraged to share its findings with the rest of the class.
Ben, what can you tell me?
It's got vitamins and minerals in
It
it.
has got vitamins and minerals in it. Well done, yes. So is that a fact or is that an opinion? Callum?
It's a fact.
It's a fact.
Now pupils must use the facts from the videos, data tables and their knowledge of other snack bars on the market to decide whether to ban, license or endorse the Fruit Munchie Square.
Can you tell me how much sugar is in each bar? So, Alex, how much sugar is in this bar?
45 grams.
45 grams.
6.4 grams.
6.4 grams. Wow, that's a big difference, isn't it? How much is in that?
5.6 grams.
5.6 grams. So which one's got the highest amount of grams in it, Molly? Yeah. Ooh, how do you now feel about the launch of this new bar?
I feel quite angry with them for going to put this in a shop, and it's not quite healthy because it's got lots of fat in it.
You will have to define banning, licensing and endorsing and encourage SACs to give reasons for their decisions.
What do you feel, Abigail?
I think we should license it because it's quite a good snack bar, but it's not very good to have as a meal because it's got too much fat and too much sugar.
That's a really good answer. So now, we need to now as a group decide. So those who wish to ban the bar, raise your hand. 2.
Each SAC elects one group member to communicate its decision to the rest of the class.
We want to ban it because it's got lots of fat and sugar in, and it's not got much calcium in.
Okay, what advice would you give to the food group that they could maybe make the bar better for us?
I think they should take all the fat and sugar in out and put more healthier stuff in.
Such as?
Some fruit.
Excellent, so you think some fruit. Can I just ask that group, do you think that all fat and sugar need to be taken out of the bar? Alex?
Some fat and sugars are good,
Excellent.
but not too much.
Excellent, good boy, well done.
We would like to license it because it's got lots of healthy fruit in it.
Excellent, well done, okay. Any key words from today's lesson, Kira?
If we eat too much junk food, that will become sick, and it's better to eat healthy food.
It's better to eat healthy food, Abigail?
If you want to be a healthy person, you've got to have a balanced diet.
Oh, well done. I think that is the key to our lesson today. Well done, Year 4. You have worked extremely hard today, and I think the BIEC will take on board everything that you've given to us. So well done. Good work.
I do think the children enjoyed the snack bar lesson. I think they enjoyed kind of exploring more like an adult type thing, looking at tables of what's in their food, because it is quite a grown-up thing to do, so I think they liked that, yeah.
The snack bar lesson was really, really good, and I think, again, the children felt quite proud of themselves. They had their ownership, they were given their badges with the scientific advisory groups. It made them feel special, made them feel important, and they were really excited at the fact that their final decision was the one that was going to be taken, so it was good fun for them.